This is an instruction video of how to use the coffee machine. So first of all, you have to fill up the water and then place this in the back of the machine and put this bit down here, this bit, and then make sure it's switched on. And you lift up, take out the old pod, put in the new pod, make sure this piece is sticking out here, make sure there's a cup underneath, and you close this down and then you press on here. It's important the machine is switched on before you put in the pod and bring the machine down, close it over, and then you turn it on as I've just shown you with the cup underneath, and the coffee will come out.